It's been a while since Roborock brought the S7 Robot Vacuum to market, and undoubtedly it's the best robot vacuum cleaner to date. But in the last few days, we saw an identical robot vacuum cleaner, which is called the Prembot P3. If the Roborock S7 didn't have the LiDAR sensor on top, you could easily mistake one for the other from the side view. Well, let's cut to the chase and look at the differences between these two cleaning companions and find out which one is best for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Starting with design. As I mentioned earlier, they look like twin siblings, featuring a perfectly round shape along with a glossy exterior, the additional mop, and reservoirs for water and dust. The Prembot comes with a double rotating brush for collecting medium to large sized debris or dust while brooming the floor. On the other hand, our star Roborock S7 has only one broom brush, but it's a rotating brush with auto-lifting technology that removes all the dust and debris from every surface. Sadly, due to the LiDAR sensor on top, it can't go under any furniture that doesn't have a decent ground clearance. It's not a problem for the Prembot though, due to its lower height profile. Since it's all about cleaning efficiency, surprisingly, the P3 offers almost 2 times more suction power, but on our side-by-side comparison, the S7 did a great job with its 2,500 Pascal units of suction power. It collects tons of dirt, human and pet hair, paper pieces, and other things far better than its competitor. It can even detect pet poops, so your carpets and floors don't get messed up with the stinkies. Let's talk about dust and water capacity. Well, both have separate compartments for dust and water that allows them to store all the germs, pathogens, dust, and other things securely and safely inside the robot. So when the cleaning is done or the compartment becomes full, the robot will automatically dump them out so it's ready to make the next surface pristine and clean. Here, both have sweeping methods known as parallel or row by row. The Prembot has a built-in high-precision gyroscope to help guide its path while doing arched sweeping, and its 100-degree visual scanning makes the sweeping more efficient. On the other hand, Roborock's S7 has a precision LiDAR navigation. This creates accurate maps of your rooms and tracks cleaning routes with its adaptive route algorithms to maximize efficiency. Well, the Prembot is packed with a 2600 mAh battery that can run up to 110 minutes on a single charge, and the Star S7 can run up to 180 minutes with its 5200 mAh battery. These runtimes may vary depending on cleaning tasks, but we can say that the S7 is the clear winner when it comes to battery life. However, when they both run out of battery or return to the dock station to dump the dust, they also automatically recharge for further cleaning. Sadly, the Prembot P3 had some difficulty finding the route back to its base, even when near the station, but the S7 does it smartly and accurately, even when we tricked it by lifting and changing its direction. Last but not least, it's easy to tell which one is the best. Both of these robot vacuums are solid in their own classes, and if the expensive price tag isn't a big deal, then the Roborock S7 is an ideal option to choose. However, if you're looking for a budget cleaning robot that cleans impressively, provides great runtime, and everything in between, then the Prembot P3 will be a good deal. So that was all about the Roborock S7 versus the Prembot P3. Thanks for watching this video. Like and comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.